What's up, all you fine people of the world? It's your boy Clipper Life here, and I hope everybody's having a great day. Excellent. So let's jump right into this. In this video today, I'll be guiding you step by step on how I cut a mid to high skin fade, and also changing the direction and flow on top of the client's head. So let's check it out. Forgot to mention, this is my first tutorial video that I'm actually posting, so over time, I'll get better with my edits and my camera angles, so, don't bark at me too much. In the meantime, do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me. Clipper Life. If you do, you're awesome. If you don't, you're still awesome. No further ado, let's just see how this haircut looks through Clipper Life's eyes. Adios. Step number 1. Start off with removing as much bulk as possible. I highly recommend these trimmers. They only cost me 25 bucks. And they never get jammed or caught up. It definitely doesn't have to look neat. As long as the majority of the bulk is removed, that's really the objective right now. Now I'll go in with my Remington shavers, and that removes most of the stubble. This tool is awesome because it basically eliminates the use of the straight razor. As you can see, it removed the stubble and it's now skinned. Make sure you keep the hair combed. Not only does the comb put the hair where I need it to be, but it also removes the hair that I just cut. Now I'm using my Andis BGR-Cs, and I got a 3/3/4 blade on there. Now I come in with the number 1, and I'm simply just trying to fade out that line. Now I'm using the 1.5. This is where I come in with the 3/0, or also known as the 3/0 blade. And once again here, basically I'm trying to just remove the initial guideline. Coming in hot with the Wahl 1919s. Taking out that guideline. Notice the lever's open. Simply just working on that line, fading it out. With no guard on, I'm using the lever to change the size of the blade. Instead of resting the whole blade on the head, try to just use the corner of the blade to finish getting your guideline out. Boom! I'm gonna finish his fade with the Wahl Magic Clip. Size half, 1/16. And I took the 1/16 all the way up and just blended it in nice. Tell me down below in the comments how you think I did. In my eyes, no feedback is wrong. All feedback is positive. Oh, and hey, look, if you've enjoyed the tutorial today on this haircut, do me a favor, go and subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever you gotta do. If you could just help out your boy, you know I appreciate that. If you're watching this and you're a student barber or just learning how to cut hair, just remember that all this, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to see in progress, dedication, practice, commitment, and shit. Many hours I've put in. I'm not even saying I'm nearly close to being the best barber out here, but I definitely put in my work. That's one thing that nobody will ever be able to take from me, my dedication. Barbering's a lifestyle, and I've learned to just stick with it. And that's with whatever you do. It's not just being a barber, it's life. Just once you put your mind to something, stick with it, and you'll see positive results. But hey, just don't be afraid to make mistakes, as long as you learn from them. I've made many, believe me, throughout my life. That's life, living life. Just trust the process. What is up? You are still here. We are alive, well. God bless you and your family, for another day. Wow, we are here. Whew. Yes, you are here. I love it. You know what? I thank you so much for staying the whole video. I know it was a little long, but I tried my best to edit. I tried my best to do a nice haircut. I tried my best for everything. Hey, I only got two hands, man. It's clipper life, baby. But no, honestly, thank you so much for being here. I look local crazy right now, however you want to say it. I use my girl's straightener, hairbrush. Not really a straightener. It was a blow dryer brush thing earlier. Yeah, my hair is usually curly. But for real. Yeah. But I don't know about you, but I am super exhausted. I just want to say thank you once again, and everything you need to know about the clippers or any products I used, anything like that, it's all going to be down in the description below. And you know, I'm looking forward to making more videos and seeing what you guys have to say. And once again, I hope you can give a thumbs up. You know what? Even a thumbs down is nice. Some content helps. You know, any content helps. But yeah. So, like I said, anything you need to know, I'll try to write it down below in the description. And yeah, peace. Clipper life, baby.